In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Adobe Creative Cloud apps seamlessly. Keeping your software up to date is not just good practice for enjoying the latest features, but it also ensures that any security vulnerabilities are patched, making your work environment safer. So, let's dive into the process. First, start by opening your Creative Cloud desktop app. If you haven't pinned it to your taskbar or desktop, you can typically find it in your Applications folder or search for it through your Start menu or Finder. Once you've got that open, you'll notice a left sidebar. What you're looking for is the one labeled Apps. It's usually right near the top unless there have been recent interface updates. In some newer versions, you might find a tab or panel specifically labeled Updates. Either way, that's the area you'll want to navigate to. Moving over to the right pane, or the Updates section, here's where you'll see all of the available updates for your apps. It's a bit like your dashboard for managing all the software tools in Creative Cloud. Now, take a look at the list. Each app that has a pending update will be displayed clearly for you. If there's a particular app you know you want to update, you simply click Update next to that app. It's straightforward, just a small button next to the app's name. Now, you might notice that there are several updates available at once. Instead of going one by one, Adobe Creative Cloud gives you the convenient option to update all the apps simultaneously. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you use many of Adobe's offerings. You'll find the Update All option at the top. Just a quick click, and you're updating everything in one fell swoop. Before kicking off the updates, bear in mind a critical step. Make sure that any app you're planning to update is closed or that any work has been saved. If you're in the middle of a project, save your progress. Sometimes, the update process will require that the app is closed, and you might even get a prompt to do this if it's still open. So, save your work and close the app to avoid any data loss. Once the app finishes updating, you can go ahead and open it as you normally would. By doing this, you'll have the latest functions and improvements ready at your fingertips. Finally, feel free to revisit the Updates section to check if anything new has become available. It's always good to keep everything updated for optimal performance and security. There you have it, a simple guide to keeping your Adobe software up to date and ready for creative endeavors.